Hello everyone. So in the previous video, we have seen how to move the block of data from a source location 30H to source location to our destination location 50H. Right. So in this video, the two without overlapping the data between source and destination locations. So in this video, we will see how to move the block of data from source location to destination location with overlapping. So that means here the data will going to be overlapped between source and destination addresses. So whatever the data I will going to transfer will be overlapped. So how do we do that? So in the previous example, we have taken the source and destination different addresses where the block of data will not going to overlap between the address locations. But here, so what we can do is, see, this is my data, right? So from 39H, so from 30H to 39H, this is the source address location. Here the data stored as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0AH. Okay, so now if I use, instead of 50H, if I use the 50H as destination location, if we start from here, so this data when I transfer will not going to be overlapped. So instead of this, if I use this address as 35H, if I use the address location as 35H, so what will happen? The first move address, so first move instruction, that means first move A comma at R0, then move at R0 R1 comma A will move the first data, right? That means 01 will be copied to 35th location, right? In the first move instruction this will happen, so this will become 1, right? And this will become 2, so as we move the data from 35H, right? So destination location will start from here, right? So if I start moving the data, so 1 will overlap with this, because earlier it was 6, now it will overlap with 01. Likewise, this will overlap with 02, means 07 was there previously, now it will overlap with 02. Likewise, this will become 03, 04, 05. Okay, up to here it will become 05. Now the R1 R0 pointer will come here. So it will come here because first it has taken 01, then 02, 03, 05, 05. Next it will come to 35th location. Now the 35th location is 01. So this will only move to 40H location, right? So that once we execute it, you will understand. Again the same thing will repeat. Why? Because now at this point pointer is pointing to this data. So in the data, because this is my 10 byte of data. So we have 10 bytes of data, right? So if we start from here, from 0 to 05, the same data will be transferred from this location, 35th location, because this is my destination address. So once your pointer, R0 pointer, once this R0 pointer comes here, so it will point to 01 data. So this 01 will be again transmitted up to 44H. This is when you want to transfer 10 block of data, right? So that is 0A. So that's why I have taken 0A as a counter, because I'm trying to move 10 block of data, and we will execute it. So the same thing will happen, right? So let us execute. No errors found. So then I'll delete this program. Now you can see, first I will go to 30H address location. So here I have to store the data first. So I'll modify this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0AH. So you have to mention this also 1H, 2H like that, but in decimal same. So numbers are same, right? 1H, 2H, the numbers are same, even decimal and as well as hexadecimal. That's why I'm not given as H. Otherwise, you have to give H only. 1H, 2H, 3H like that. Okay. Okay. So let us click OK. Now we have got the data from 01 to 0AH. Now we'll go to 35H because that is my destination address. 35 is the destination address. Okay, so we shall keep this here only, because 35 will start from here only, because this is 31 location, right? This is 31, sorry, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Again it goes on, right? So here is the 35 memory location. From here it will start, right? This is the 35 means the data from here to here it will transfer, because this is what we are using here. So 35th memory location used as a destination address that will overlap with 0768908. Why? Because so in this memory location we already have the data, right? So that is source data is already present. Because I'm using this address as a destination location, this data will be overlapped with the source data. Okay, so let us see. So how does this work? The first instruction, 30 have moved with R0, then R1 moved with 35H, then I took the counter, that is 0A, that is 10 bytes of data I'm trying to move. And move A comma R0 means A will fill with 01, because at 30th location we have 01, that will come to 0A. Then if we execute it, so that will move to memory location 35th memory location. 35th is this. See, you can see the 6 is overlapped with 01, right? That is what you have to do, right? Execution with overlapping. Okay, moving of block of data with overlapping. Next, you will increment both. Again, the data 02 will move to 36th location. Again, 03 will move to 37th location. Then data 04 will be moved to 39th location. You can observe here. Please observe here so that you will understand. Again 0A is filled with, overlapped with 05, because 05 is from the memory location 35th. So it is has to be. So because destination starting from here, all data will be overlapped. Right now at 40th location we'll get again 01 only. Why? Because if you observe here, at R0 now it's pointing to 36th location, right? 35th location, right? It is pointing to 35th location. So at the 35th location we have 01 only now, so that has to be moved. Okay, so again same thing will repeat. So because I want to move 10 blocks of data, the data will overlap like this. Okay, so this completes the block of data with data overlapping. See, the data is overlapped. I supposed to move 01 to 010H from 35th location from here to here, but due to this overlapping of source and destination locations, the data also has been overlapped. Okay, so repeated data has been moved. Okay, this is the moving of block of data from source location to destination location with overlapping. Okay, thank you.